So what we're doing today is we're taking these old style Bluebird lights. They have a 12-volt typical turn signal bulb in them. We like these lights because they have this Bluebird logo right in the actual lens. So it's really a cool little light fixture. It just isn't up to date. So what we're doing is we're taking out the bulbs and we're putting in high intensity LEDs. Let me move this out of the way. I'll give you a quick look at this. We've put in 2 LEDs because we intend to have ambiance lighting like this. And then we also want, one second if I may, we also want to be able to, use both lights for a much brighter light. I'm going to try and put this lens on here for a second, just to give you a view. There we go. So this is full light, and we'll get one of them off there again and show you just ambiance lighting. So what we're going to do, we're going to switch these so that you can turn on one proximity for ambiance, or you can enhance just that proximity. And we'll do that in several proximities. So you'll have 2 locations. Each will have ambiance lighting that can be magnified by just turning on a second switch. So we could buy lights very inexpensive and not use these, but I think it's a very cool feature, especially when the entire ceiling and roof area that these used to be fastened in has been cut away and thrown out. We've elevated the roof, and now we're going to put the antique light fixtures back in, but enhanced with new LED lights. So they'll run really well on the off-grid solar system as well. So hope you like this idea. Hope you get to do it in your own Schoolie. So goodbye for now.